welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a tutorial on this makeup look right here. Look at that eye look. Glitter, color, sparkle, the whole 9 yards. We are already in spring. These are the type of looks I love to do spring and summer because I just get so inspired and I just want to be creative because all the flowers are blooming and it's so beautiful. It's a beautiful time of the year right now. So I was very inspired to do this look. Obviously, the palette I'm going to be using is from Qing Beauty. This is the first palette, which is called Cageling. And it looks like this. And it has a little slip that you slide out. And this is a palette. Now, I am going to say the palette in the packaging in this palette is absolutely stunning. Look at that holographic in that picture. And in the front too, it has like a little bird cage. It's so cute. And what I think is so unique about this palette is the packaging, because you open this and the colors are in there. So you pull the little tab right here, and here are the colors. It doesn't have a mirror, which I personally don't mind because the packaging is just so beautiful. It's something very unique as opposed to other palettes. So this is what we're going to be working with today and using. I could not decide what colors to use, but definitely the first colors that caught my attention were that super bright yellow and orange, and I decided to throw in that purple in the mix and then add my own little pop with the Urban Decay glitter. Now for highlight, as you can see, it's very popping as well. I used the Unicorn Dust palette. It's a highlighter palette from Qing Beauty, and yeah, that's what I'm using today. That's what I'm working with, and I'm so excited for you guys to see the tutorial. So if you would like to see how I accomplish this look, then just keep on watching. I did prime my eyes already using my P. Louise base, and this is in Rumor 1. And I applied it all over my lid, and I like to apply it before just to give it enough time to get a little dry so it won't be too wet when I go in with my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to start off with the color Nightingale, which is this one up here, and we're going to use that color as our transition shade. And I just want a little tiny base of something or a color to apply as our transition shade, just because we're going to go in with those other fun colors, and I haven't decided if I want to do a cut crease or not. But as you can see, the color is going on very nicely and blending very nicely as well. Now I think I'm going to go in directly with the color, this one right here, which is called Canary. And it's that beautiful, like super bright yellow. Yellows are some of my favorites, and I like to see, oh, the palette doesn't have too much fallout, which is always something nice. Now let's see how pigmented that is. I've been seeing a lot of yellow makeup looks, and I was inspired to create my own, but I definitely want to add a pop of something else. Okay, that color is everything. I'm still not sure what pop of color I want to use because this yellow is just so pretty. It blended beautifully. It doesn't have too much fallout, which is always something that I know a lot of you guys are looking for. That blended out beautifully. I'm going to add a little more to the inner corner. And now I'm going to add the orange shade, which is called Phoenix. This one right here. Oh my gosh, the more I look at this palette, the more I just want to throw all the colors on me. And I'm going to focus that, that's super pigmented. And I'm going to only focus that on the outer corner. Next level. This color is like pigmented to the max. I want to do a different color combo than what I normally do. I know I always do, like, you know, the warm tones. Even though these are warm, I do want to add a different color. I just can't decide on which one. I'm trying to go out of my comfort zone and step it up a little bit more. I'm going to add a little bit more of that yellow shade to blend those two shades together. I think I want to do like a cut crease, so I'm going to cut the crease with my P. Louise base again. Do you guys see how easy that was to blend out and how it just blended out beautifully, like super quickly? That is really good, especially for the shades I use. I thought I was going to have to pack more color and blend harder. That was super effortless. So I'm going to take some more of the P. Louise base and cut the crease.
Next level.
Now I think the color that will go perfectly with this would be this shade right here. So that's the color I'm going to apply, and I am going to pack it on with a flatter brush just so I can get the most impact onto that wet base and it can be more pigmented. But I mean, I don't really feel like I need that much because this is already pigmented as heck. So let's do that color. Oh yeah, that color is beautiful. Now I'm going to take a little bit of that orange shade again, this one right here, and I'm just going to blend with a small brush that little outer corner just so it won't look too unblended in the corner. Blend those two shades together. I'm using a small precise brush so I can get a more precise blend and color application in that little corner. Now to add something a little fun to the look, I'm going to add this glitter liner on that cut crease area just to add a little sparkle, because you guys know me, go big or go home. So I'm going to apply my LA Splash Architect liner, and I am going to do a wing liner. Now I'm going to do mascara, lashes, and I will be right back to finish the lower lash line. Now this is what the look looks like with lashes. I really like how it looks also with the liner extended rather than stopping here. I feel like it, you know, makes the look open up more. I just really like that glitter, pop of glitter liner, and I did use the Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter liner in Pyro, which is one of my favorites. I really like these glitters from Urban Decay. Now to move on to the lower lash line, I'm going to take this palette again, and we are going to take the yellow shade, and I'm going to take it on a Real Techniques brush, and I'm only going to take a little bit because we're going to start off with this color. I am going to be adding more shades, but we are going to start off with a yellow. I'm going to lightly blend it like so. We are going to go in with a smaller detail brush and take the color Phoenix, which is that beautiful, where is it at, orange shade right here. And I'm going to apply that in the outer corner and blend that shade. So kind of how we did the look on the lid, we're going to do the same thing on the lower lash line. And the purple, I'm not going to add it because I want it to be the center of attention on the lid. So I am going to add the color Swan, which is this beautiful sparkly one right here. And I'm going to add that on the inner corner. I'm going to take a little pencil brush and take a little bit of that shade. I would say this is more like a pressed glitter. and it does have little flecks, but do you guys see how it adds that little pop? Like that's where the glitter starts and then like it goes to the liner. I feel like it's a really cute little pop. Obviously, if you feel like it's too much glitter already, you don't have to do this. For me, the more the merrier. So what did you guys think about the look, about the tutorial? Did you guys like it? Let me know if you guys would like to see more bright, fun colored looks like this. I definitely was inspired by the palette and my earrings, everything, which is why I wanted to add that pop of glitter, because my earrings have like that super glittery half disc on them. And then my background, I just felt everything went so good together. And yeah, I really like this look. Now on my lips, I do want to let you guys know I am wearing the Real Her liquid lipstick, and this is the matte liquid lipstick in the shade I Deserve the Best, which looks like this, and it's a pretty like mauvey pinky shade. I just love how everything went and worked out together. Now the palette is on sale right now for $13.50, which I feel like is such a great price. Super affordable, especially for all these colors. They're super pigmented. They have very little fallout, which I was very surprised with, because I mean, we all know colors like this can tend to have a lot of fallout, and these definitely don't have any crazy amount of fallout, which I was very happy with. Now this is one of my favorite shades. It's what I'm wearing in my inner corner. It looks like a little, like I added from that glitter liner, like I added it in the inner corner, but I didn't. I added this, if you guys saw in the tutorial. All the colors are beautiful. I want to swatch some for you guys. Let me swatch this purple because I'm anxious. Ooh, that's pretty. Now I'll swatch for you guys this blue right here, the purple. Let me see this yellow. I mean, you guys are seeing it on my eyes, but look at how beautiful the colors are. They are very pigmented on the fingers to the swatch, and they go on very pigmented on the eyes. You don't need much to make these colors pop because they are already super pigmented on their own. And definitely if you add a base or you add your concealer, they will pop even more, which is amazing. So overall, I'm so impressed with this palette. I'm so happy with how it worked, and I will definitely be doing more looks with it. And that's basically it. Let me know what you thought about the palette, if you like it, if you like those pops of color for now, summer and spring, like I do. Thank you guys so much for watching, for all your support, and like always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!